Hi, I'm John Goodman.
John Goodman, an American actor whose imposing physical stature often garnered him roles playing over-the-top larger-than-life characters, has a compelling weight loss journey you should check out. How did he lose a whopping 200 pounds? Let's find out. Welcome to the Fabulous Body Mind channel, where we dive deep into the hottest celebrity weight loss trends and transformations. Hey everyone! Today we're exploring the incredible weight loss journey of John Goodman. From his iconic roles to his remarkable transformation, John's story is one of dedication and embracing a healthier lifestyle. Curious about how he achieved his amazing change? Let's dive in. John Goodman, the beloved actor known for his roles in Roseanne and The Big Lebowski, made headlines with his impressive weight loss journey. His transformation began with a major step. Secret number 1, gastric bypass surgery. In 2017, John underwent gastric bypass surgery, a procedure that helps with weight loss by altering the digestive system. This surgery was a pivotal moment, giving him a significant boost in his journey towards a healthier weight. Secret number 2, embracing a healthier diet. After the surgery, John committed to a balanced and nutritious diet. He focused on smaller, healthier portions, incorporating more vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into his meals. It wasn't just about eating less, it was about eating right. Secret number 3, consistent exercise. John incorporated regular exercise into his routine to complement his dietary changes. From cardio workouts to strength training, staying active was crucial in maintaining his weight loss and improving his overall fitness. Secret number 4, focus on lifestyle changes. John Goodman's journey wasn't just about the surgery. It was about making lasting lifestyle changes. This includes prioritizing self-care, managing stress, and ensuring a healthy work-life balance. Secret number 5, support and motivation. And let's not forget the importance of support and motivation. John's friends, family, and personal trainers played a vital role in his journey, providing encouragement and keeping him on track. John Goodman's weight loss journey highlights the power of commitment, a balanced lifestyle, and ongoing support. His transformation is a testament to the incredible changes that are possible with dedication and the right approach. Don't forget to like this video and share this video to others who might benefit. Together, we can transform life. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.